Hello there lovelies, thank you so very much for watching traditional braids hairstyles with beads. You're sure to find some amazing braids. You can use the beads accessory to look really traditional and African. Of course, if you're in Brazil, I know you love this hairstyle look as well. Of course, if you're a black American lady, I also know you appreciate looks like this too. It's an amazing and unique look. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this hairstyle look and I really hope you try one or two of these hairstyles that we are sharing with you right here. Make sure to watch the longer version of the video where you find all the relevant hairstyles you may want to try out for yourself. It's all in the finishing, and the finishing is a beaded work right here. Of course, we have videos for coily finishings and of course straight finishing as well, but this in particular is for all the beaded works, and we really hope you get the help that you need to look beautiful and stand out. Go right ahead and share the video with friends and family. Leave us a like, of course subscribe if you're new here. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye.